Hello, good morning everyone. Today let us discuss about the important reaction, dehydration of alcohols. Dehydration of alcohols. See, alcohols undergoes dehydration in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, then formation of alkenes. So about this dehydration, complete description up to competitive level, everything we discuss now. Okay, right. So first one here I am taking ethyl alcohol, ethanol, which is reaction with the concentrated H2SO4. Okay, and you remember the important thing is that in the dehydration of alcohol, temperature conditions are very essential. Temperature conditions are very essential at 170 degrees Celsius. So otherwise 443 Kelvin temperature. So here ethanol undergoes dehydration, means removal of water molecule. This reaction is best example for elimination reaction. Then formation of alkenes. See, OH attached to carbon alpha, adjacent carbon beta. So from here OH, adjacent position, hydrogen. OH with bond, hydrogen without bond. Then formation of ethene. CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2O. Okay, so this is actually primary alcohol. Primary alcohol undergoes dehydration, then formation of ethene. Then we'll discuss about the secondary alcohol, CH3, CH, CH3, OH. This is the secondary alcohol. See, propane 2-ol. So this also we can write as a CH3OH also we can write. So OH attached carbon alpha, adjacent carbon beta. So from here, which is reaction with the concentrated H2SO4. Okay, and here I want to introduce another one reagent, which is also work as a dehydrating agent, that is H3PO4. H3PO4 at 85%. 85% at 440 Kelvin temperature. So secondary alcohol undergoes dehydration, then formation of alkene. From here OH, from here H. Then formation of propene, CH3, CH double bond, CH2, it will be formed. Then tertiary alcohol, we'll discuss now, tertiary alcohol. See, here I am taking tertiary alcohol. So tertiary alcohol is reaction with the same concentrated H2SO4. Here same reagent involved. Otherwise H3PO4 at 20%, 358 Kelvin temperature. So tertiary alcohol also undergoes dehydration. OH attached to carbon alpha, adjacent position beta, beta position here hydrogen, and alpha position OH. Then the bond shift here. Then formation of CH3, CH3 double bond CH3 will be formed plus H2O. So what is this? 2-methyl propene. 2-methyl propene. It will be formed. Tertiary alcohol. So this is the dehydration of primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. Here one question they will raise. That is a very important question. What is the rate of reaction towards dehydration of primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol? I mean they will ask primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. These three alcohol, what is the dehydration reaction rate? Which alcohol undergoes dehydration fast? They will ask. So the dehydration order. So the dehydration order is tertiary greater than, secondary greater than primary. You remember this is the very important. Number of times there is in competitive level. Okay, so now some more example for competitive level we'll discuss now. And next example is very important. Once they ask it. See, one example I am writing here. This is the neopentyl alcohol. Neopentyl alcohol. Neopentyl alcohol. See, which is reaction with the concentrated H2SO4. Now you guess this reaction takes place or not? Okay. You will see OH attached to carbon alpha adjacent to carbon beta. OH attached to carbon alpha adjacent to carbon beta. So, but beta portion there is no hydrogen. There is no hydrogen. Okay, but reaction takes place, dehydration takes place or not? You remember, beta portion hydrogen present or absent, whatever may be, reaction takes place. Why? Because molecule undergoes rearrangement. Why? Because anyhow, concentrated H2SO4 is the strongest dehydrating agent. Got it? So that's why you answer, you got the answer is that, see, what answer it will become? 2-methyl butene it will be formed. 2-methyl butene. Sir, how it is? Sir, very simple. I'll tell you the mechanism. See, first step what happened? You know, H2SO4 undergoes ionization, then formation of H plus plus HSO4 minus. Okay, right. Second step, this alcoholic oxygen which can accept the proton. Okay. Alcoholic oxygen accept the proton. Then formation of protonated alcohol it will be formed. From the protonated alcohol, the water will be eliminated. Okay. So then formation of primary carbocation it will be formed. Water eliminate. So primary carbocation is formed. So you see here chance is there. So that's why what happened, you know, this step is very essential. Here methyl shift takes place. Methyl shift. What happened, you know? Methyl shift takes place. Methyl shift. So then what happened, you know? Then formation of CH3 plus CH2 CH3. Means what happened here? Primary carbocation converted into stable carbocation, tertiary carbocation converted. Then after what happened, you know, carbocation adjacent position, this proton is eliminated. Then formation of, got the answer, 2-methyl butene. See, bond shifted here. CH3 bond CH3 to double bond CH3. Okay, 2-methyl butene it will be formed. Understood? Right. So in this mechanism, alpha beta hydrogen absent also by the methyl shift reaction takes place. So you got the answer, 2-methyl butene. Number of times they raised it. APMT exam as well as NEET exam. Number of times they raised this question. Okay. Next, some more important reactions we'll discuss. See, for example, here I am taking, this is a very important for competitive level also. See, this is reaction with the concentrated H2SO4. What is answer? Okay, so this is a 5-member ring. What happened, you see, this is also very important. Answer it will become cyclohexene it will become. How it will become, we will discuss. So what happened, you know, first step, see, sulfuric acid liberated proton, then protonated alcohol it will be formed. Okay, from protonated alcohol, water it will be eliminated. So then formation of CH2 plus. Here the important mechanism is that actually this ring 5-member ring to get stabilized, which is found into 6-member ring by the cleavage of this bond. See here carbon is there, this bond breaks and formation of new bond here. Okay, so then this carbon so this is formed. So this is similar to this one. From this what happened, carbocation adjacent position, proton is liberated, then formation of cyclohexene. Got the point? Right. Next, last one question I lost here. You will give the answer. One simple technique understood here. What happened, the simple technique is that this compound come into cyclohexene. You remove the OH molecule, the CH2 molecule included in the cycle. Okay, why? Because compared to 5-member ring, 6-member ring is more stable. Then 6-member ring cyclohexane it will be formed. From that you got into cyclohexane. Last one example, maybe you will give the answer. So here I took 4-member ring. I am taking concentrated H2SO4. Now tell me the answer. What is the answer? Okay, from here remove OH and this CH2 group include the cycle. So from 4-member ring you got answer is 5-member ring and your positive charge it will be formed. From that you remove proton, then formation of cyclopentene it will be formed. What is that? Cyclopentene. Okay, so this is the dehydration of alcohols. Okay, thank you very much.